Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gagobert Show. And today we will unleash kits. And before we unleash kits, I would like to have a shout out for Sir Gundam Deck, like this one. He is also a YouTuber and a very famous gunplay YouTuber. Wow, Sir. Shout out for you because you're the one who poisoned me on these kits, and we have it here, and we have names on the box. Yeah, and it's very big because it has three kits. So without further ado, let's unleash the kits. Let's go with this cutter. Oh, yeah, right there. Let's go. Let's unleash. So we have 3 kits right here, and I would like first to introduce you to this one. Woo! This is your Unicorn Gundam, or not the Unicorn, but it's the Gundam Phoenix. Yep, the Gundam Phoenix, but we know that it's in the form of a Unicorn Gundam, but it's the Gundam Phoenix. And let me check, because there are 3 Gundam Phoenix or Unicorn right here. That the other one is gold, the other one is black, and the other one is white, which is the Unicorn. Yeah, the normal Unicorn. So let me open a little bit of this kit, because there's no such so wow, I don't know if this is the black or this is the gold one, because there's no some labels that it is the black. And yeah, this is the black one. Wow, the black is very nice. It's silver black. It's like a piano black for me, but I don't, oh man, it's not undergated. So yeah, same with Sir Gundam Deck on his review, that it's not undergated. So there's so many knobs for this one, but yeah, let's find ways on how to handle this one. So this is the black one. And yeah, let's have another one right here. And I know, because we have the black. Yeah, there's XD216. They're the same, man. There's no label. I don't know how. I think it's under the box right here. Oh yeah, there's something. I don't know. That's Chinese. Yeah, that's a Chinese black. I don't know. It's black, but it has a black character. So I think that's the one, and we have here is a blue one. Yep. So let's see. Let's try. Let's open. Okay, it's not yet the unboxing, okay? It's just that I want to be sure that it is the black and the gold one. It's not the same color. So let me open this. Yeah. Hey, get out. Yeah. And this is the gold one. Okay, so this is the gold one, and yeah, the gold is, it's a gold plated, and that's it. That's how shiny it is. But yeah, it's not undergated. Yeah, it's not undergated, and because it is a bootleg, you can really see, I don't know if you can see it, that there are some details that is not so sharp on this, because it's just plated. The gold on the top of the parts is a little bit bulging, and yeah, you can really see it. Yep. So it's like, if it's just an unboxing, it's like we are reviewing already. And the one that I don't really like is this one. Why you need to give us a green stand? Same with the black one. Why? But yeah, still thank you for giving us that stand. And yeah, yep. So that's the feature of our gold Gundam Phoenix. So next is this one. Woo! And this is your Unicorn Gundam. Yeah, it can be a Unicorn Gundam, but also you can have it as, I don't know if you can, no, it's not, yeah, it's not a Phoenix. You cannot do the Phoenix one because it's just, what? Yeah, yeah, no, so it's nice. It's a white, it's the painted, it's the, what you call this one, the Gundam Base Limited painted kit, or painting kit, because you don't have, it doesn't have any color, so you can color it. So it has already a base white right there. So if you want to color this one, you will just directly color them, not having those top coats or whatever. But this is a bootleg, maybe you need to. But still, it's nice because you can really directly paint it. But what I want on this one is just to make it just like this one. It's just like a clear kind of unicorn. And also, it has some V-fins. I know this one for the Banshee Norn. And this one for the Phoenix, and it has I still have these two giant shields, and yeah, still have those different kinds of yeah, it's the two shields of the Banshee, and I think it also has the normal shield of the Unicorn right here. And you can have here at the box some, yeah, I will show you on the box that there's some suggestions on what color you should paint. So it has this one, which the green, you will color the clear parts for green, and then I like this one, the black with violet, but it's nice that we already have a black. So right here is the red one. So if I will build this, maybe I will buy another kind of this one so that I can make a Unicorn Power Ranger colors. Yeah, so yep, so that's our 3 unicorns and Phoenix right here that we have unleashed. And yeah, this is Sir Gundam Deck, this is your fault. You've poisoned me on these kits, but yeah, thank you so much for showing your reviews. And I saw that, yeah, it's, even it's bootleg, even you will have some burnout for this one. Yeah, not just one, but it's a triple burnout. Building mostly, not mostly, but all of them, you will just build the same patterns over and over again. And yeah, but still, I know I will enjoy it because it has different colors. And yeah, it's very nice to have same kit but in different colors, showing on your shelves right here, or wherever it is in your house or in your caveman place. Yep. So yeah, this is our 3, the Phoenix Gold, am I right? No, the Phoenix Black, the Phoenix Gold, and the painting kit of the Unicorn right here. Or you can have Banshee Norn, or even the Phoenix V-fin. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's it. Whew. A very triple threat poison from Sir Gundam Deck. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next video. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Godlover Show signing off. Subscribe to Sir Gundam Deck. I will put the link of his YouTube channel right there at the description box. Okay, bye.